So I'm going to give you a full tour of Firebase. So let's go ahead and I'm going to just close all my tabs. And close and close. So we're going to go to firebase.google.com and get started for free as usual. And then my first app. And if we click on a random app like ours, we see analytics, which is for like information on money, users, audiences, all that stuff like that. And then we also have the authentication, which is for later when we're going to be making our own like login app. And then we have our database, which is for storing data, like a user, their image, stuff like that. And then we got storage, which is for storing files like your users like video, audio, images, everything like that. And then we've got hosting, which is for deploying web and mobile web apps. So this is for like websites. And then we've got a test lab, which is for Android, which we do not need. Crash reporting, which is for like if you have bugs in your Firebase app, but not directly in the Xcode, then we will have it here. Okay, now we also have notifications, which is for like messages and stuff like that. Remote configuration, dynamic links, and this is for the money part, where you can show ads to like Google advertisers, so that your app can get money. That's why it has money here. Okay, you also have a plan. Like, there's a bunch over here that you have Flame and Blaze and stuff like that. So we're just going to go with Spark because we have everything we need for our plan. We have everything we need that's included. So we're not going to spend extra money for Firebase. And we also got docs, which you can read, and we're definitely going to be using this part all the time because we're not web developers, we're not Android developers, we're iOS developers. And you can see they've got great docs and stuff like that, and you can follow along. And as yesterday, I was going through this part as you see, you cd your project directory, pod init, pod, and then you're adding the pods into the pod file. Then you're installing them and you're opening it directly through terminal. That's what I was talking about in the last video in our introduction. We also put this in. So we're importing Firebase and we're also configuring our app. Let's go ahead, and there's a bunch of these pods as you can see from the documentation. Because the documentation does give you a lot of information, like what you can install, what you can do, like cloud messaging, authentication, real-time database, storage, hosting, test lab, crash reporting, everything like that. And again, we've got all this stuff that we got back there. So in the next video, we're gonna be discussing how to upload information to this database. So let's go ahead, hop into the next video.